How to turn off autocorrect on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autocorrect on Gmail PC easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Gmail, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now go to the top and click on the settings icon. After you click on it, go down and click on see all settings. Now it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find the autocorrect option right here. As you can see, click on autocorrect off. Now it's turned it off. All what you have to do is go down and click on save changes right here. Very easy and fast. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.